Children, today we are going to see two units. First we see Unit 6 fractions. Children, see the meaning of fraction. Fraction is a part of a whole or collection. So fraction means we have to measure the whole part to divide the values. Okay children, let's see the examples for fraction. Children, see the picture. First one is full circle is given. So fully shaded means we can say this is a full value. So we can write 1. Second one, see the circle. Half part is shaded. Half part is not shaded. So we can write it shaded portion divided by whole part. Shaded portion means one part is shaded. So 1 by total part is 1, 2. So we write 1 by 2. Next, full circle we have to divide 4. We have to divide 4 column means 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 column divide. One part is shaded means how do we write fraction value means one part shaded 1 by total part is 4. So divided by 4. Next one, full circle divided by 4 column 1, 2, 3. 3 part is shaded. So we write 3 by total part is 4. So 3 by 4 we write. Children, see the number 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 we write means this 4 is called a numerator value and 7 is a denominator value. Children, see the types of fractions. First one is proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Third one, mixed fraction. Fourth one, equivalent fraction. Fifth one, like fractions. Sixth one, unlike fraction. Children, now see the first type of proper fraction. Proper fraction means in a fraction, if the numerator is smaller than the denominator, then it is called as a proper fraction. So denominator value, big value, and numerator value is small value means that type of fraction is proper fraction. For example, we have to write 3. This is a numerator value divided by 5. So 3 is numerator value is small. Denominator value is 5 is big value means that is called a proper fraction. Another example, 4 by 10. 4 is a small value. 10 is a big value. So this type of value is we can say proper fraction. Second one, improper fraction. Improper fraction means in a fraction, if the numerator is greater than the denominator, then it is called as an improper fraction. So numerator value is big value, denominator value is small value means the type of fraction is improper fraction. So for example, we have to write 9 divided by 5. Numerator value is big value, denominator value is small value means that is improper fraction. Another one example, 11 divided by 3. So 11 divided by 3 means 11 is a big value, 3 is a small value. Next one, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means a fraction which contains a whole number and a proper fraction is called as a mixed fraction. So we have to write the example for one whole number we write. Whole number means one value, 1 or 2, any number we have to write. And then we have to write one proper fraction value. That means one small value, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 we have to write means this is called a mixed fraction. Another one example, 2 4 by 7. 2 is a whole number, and 4 by 7 it means 4 is a small value, 7 is a big value. So this type of fraction is proper fraction. So whole number plus proper fraction we have to write, means that is called a mixed fraction. Next one, equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means when the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied by the same non-zero number, we get a fraction that is equivalent to the given fraction. So equivalent fraction means we have to write any number 2. For example, we have to write 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to another one fraction value we have to write, means 2 by 4. These values are equal. How do we have to, these values are equal we have to say, means this value multiply by 2 numerator and denominator also 2, means both number numerator and denominator same number 2 we have to multiply, means we get the answer. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 we have to write. This is one equivalent fraction value. Another one example, 2 by 5 is equal to 6 by 15. These two fraction values are equivalent fraction value we have to say, means we have to multiply the value for 2 3s are 6. Again 5 3s are 15. Both numerator and denominator we have to multiply same number, means we get the value. That is called a equivalent fraction. Next one, like fraction. Like fraction means fraction with same denominators are called like fraction. So fraction value, denominator values are same value, means we can say that is the types of fraction is like fraction. For example, 1 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 5. So see, denominator values are same value, means we can say the type of fraction is like fraction. Next one is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means fraction with different denominators are called unlike fraction. So different denominator means we write the value 1 by 7. For example, 1 by 7, 2 by 9, 9 by 11. Children, see the denominator value 7, 9, 11. So different numbers are there, means we can say that a type of fraction is unlike fraction. Exercise 6.1 sums. First one, write the fraction shown by the shaded parts. First question, one picture is given, some shaded parts is given and remaining parts also given. Now find the fraction value we have to find. So shaded portion, how many boxes are shaded we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 boxes are shaded. Total boxes value we have to write the denominator value. So denominator value we write total boxes, shaded portion we write numerator. So shaded portion is 5 divided by total box value. Already 5 boxes are shaded. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total box value is shaded portion plus remaining portion. Full boxes value is 12. So we write 12. Shaded portion divided by total parts. So 5 by 12 is the fraction value. Next one, 1, 2. 2 boxes are shaded. Remaining parts and total parts, shaded portion we have to add, means we have to find the denominator value. So first shaded portion value we write 2 divided by total part 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6. So the value is, total part is 6. So 2 divided by 6 is the second one answer. Next one, shaded portion is 1, 2, 3. So shaded portion value is 3 divided by total box. Now count the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the value, total part value is 9. Second question, write the fraction for the following and find the numerator and the denominator. So fraction value we have to write, and numerator value and denominator value we have to find it. Children, see the first question. Sheila got 12 marks out of 20 marks in science. So Sheila got how many marks? 12 marks out of 20. So how to write the fraction value? We write Sheila got first 12 mark, that write 12 divided by out of 20. So denominator value is 20. So we write 12 divided by 20 is the fraction value. Next, 6 fruits are rotten out of 40 fruits in a basket. So 6 fruits, 40 fruits value is given. So how to write the fraction value means, we write 6 divided by 40 fruits. First one is 6 fruits. So 6 divided by 40 fruits. So 6 divided by 40 we write. Next, in a colony of 50 houses, 70 houses are not occupied. Total value is 50 houses. Not occupied value is 17. So how to write the value means, we write 17 not occupied small value divided by total value 50. So the answer is, first one answer 12 divided by 20, second one answer 6 divided by 40, third one answer 17 divided by 50. Third question, find out which is greater in the following fraction. Greater means big value we have to find it. Children, see the first question, 5 divided by 12 and 7 divided by 12. So denominator value same means we have to find the greater value. So denominator are same value. See the numerator value 5 and 7. Which one is big value? 7 is the big value. So the answer is, greater value is 7 by 12 is the answer. Next one, 22 divided by 48 and 17 divided by 48. So denominator value same value. See the numerator value, which one is biggest one means 22 is the biggest value. So greater value is 22 divided by 48 is the greater value. Next, 11 divided by 56 and 27 divided by 56. So greater value is, denominator are same value. So see the numerator 11 and 27. 27 is the big value. So greater value is 27 divided by 56 is the answer. Fourth question, which is smaller in the following fraction? So smaller value we have to find. First question, 10 divided by 42 and 21 divided by 42. So smaller value means, see the denominator value same value. Denominator value same means we have to compare the numerator value. 10 and 21 is given. We find that smaller value means the answer is 10 divided by 42. So compare 10 and 21, 10 is the small value. So 10 divided by 42 is the answer. Next one, 31 divided by 37 and 15 divided by 37. Denominator are same value. See the numerator 31 and 15. So 31 and 15 means 31 is the big value. 31 is the big value, 15 is the small value. In this question we have to find smaller value. So the answer is 15 divided by 37 is the answer.
Children, see the exercise 6.2 sum.
First one, write the suitable number in the box. First question, 1 by 2 is equal to box divided by 8. So one number is missing. 1 by 2 equal to this fraction value means, see that numerator value is missing, denominator value is given. So children, see the denominator value, this is 2, this is 8. So we must find the right number for the box means, here 4 times of denominator or 2 is, the value is 8. So multiply the numerator by 4 means, so 4 times means 4 times of 8 is given. So we have to multiply the value means, we write the value 1 divided by 2 into 4. Numerator and denominator both number to multiply means we get 1 4s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So the answer is 4. So 1 by 2 is equal to 4 by 8. That means 1 into 4 means get 4. 2 into 4 means get 8. So same number to numerator and denominator we have to multiply. Second one, 1 by 3 is equal to 7 divided by box. So numerator value is given, denominator value is missing. So numerator is 7, the value is 1 by 3. So which number we have to multiply get 7 means, 1 into 7 means we have to get 7. So we write 1 by 3 into 7, numerator multiply and denominator also multiply means 1 7s are 7, we get the answer numerator value. Denominator 7 3s are same number to multiply means 7 3s are 21. So the missing number is 21. Next one, 9 divided by 11 is equal to 18 divided by dash. So the missing number we have to find means, the value is 2 times of the denominator, 2 times of the value for 9 is get 18. So multiply the numerator value, 9 divided by 11, numerator value 2 times means we have to multiply 2. So numerator 9 2s are 18 we get. So again multiply by 2 means 11 2s are get 22. So the answer is 22. So numerator value is given means we have to find the denominator value. Which value to same number we have to multiply, numerator and denominator value. So the answer 22. Second one, find an equivalent fraction with the denominator 18 for each of the following fraction. The fractions are 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 6. Fractions value given. We have to find denominator value 18. So we have to find the value. First 1 by 2 is given. So first fraction 1 by 2, we write 1 by 2. Which number denominator, which number to multiply, we have to get 18 means we have to multiply first number 9 table. 2 9s are 18. So same number we have to multiply numerator also. So 1 into 9, 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. So we get the denominator value for 18. Next one, 2 by 3 is given. So 2 by 3 we write first fraction value 2 by 3 into which number to multiply means, yes, 3 into 6. 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. Again we have to multiply numerator also. Multiply that number means 2 6 are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18. So denominator value only, the given value for 18 we have to find means the numerator value or different value. We have to check the denominator value only. Next value is 4 by 6. So 4 by 6, which number to we have to multiply means first we write 4 by 6 into 6 into which number we have to multiply means yes, multiply by 3. 6 3s are 18. So at the same number we have to multiply numerator also. So 4 3s are 12 divided by 6 3s are 18. So denominator values are 18, 18, 18. Next one, find an equivalent fraction with denominator 5 for each of the following fraction. The fractions are 6 by 15, 10 by 15, 12 by 15. So fraction value is given, denominator value we have to find 5. So the denominator value is 15 is given. We have to change 5 means this is a big value. We have to change the value for small value means we have to divide the value. Which table to we have to divide? We get the 5 of that value we have to write. So first value 6 by 15. 15 which table to we have to divide get 5 means. So first value we have to find that 3 table, divide 3 table. 3 table we have to divide means 3 5s are 15. So get the denominator value for 5. So numerator 3 times 6 for 3, how many times are there means 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. So 2 by 5 is the fraction value. Next 10 by 15 is given. Again 10 by 15 we write. Which table to we have to divide get 5 means. The denominator value is 25. So 10 divided by 25 we have to divide the value for 5 table. 5 table to divide the value means 5 5s are 25. Next 5 table 10 how many times are there? 2 times. So 2 divided by 5 is the answer. Next one 12 divided by 30. So write the fraction value 12 divided by 30. Which table to we have to divide means 6 table to divide the value. So 6 5s are 30. So 5 we write the denominator value. In 6 table 12 how many times are there? 2 times. So the values are denominator value is we have to find 5. So first value is 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 2 by 5. Denominator value same value we get it. Exercise 6.3 sums. First one, convert the following into like fraction. First question 1 by 4, 3 by 8. Two fraction is given. We have to convert to like fraction. So already we know that like fraction means we have to find the same denominator. So the given fraction 2 value, see the denominator value 4 and 8 is given. So 8 is twice of 4. So the common factor value, common denominator value first we have to find means the common value is the common denominator value is equal to, so 4 is the twice, 8 is the twice of 4 value, we get 8 means the value common value is 8. So already one value we have to, the given question already one value in 8 is common value is here. So 1 by 4, so this value only we have to change. So 1 divided by 4, which table to we have to multiply means get 8. So 4 into denominator value is 4. 4 into which table? 2. 4 2s are 8. Denominator value we have to find. So in the same way multiply by 2 means 1 2s are 2. So the like fractions are like fractions are, first value 1 by 4 we have to write the answer for 2 by 8 and then 3 by 8. So same denominator is there, so this value is a like fraction value. Second one, 2 by 5 comma 1 by 7. So the denominator value 5 and 7, this is a different tables to given the value 5 and 7. It comes in same table means no. So common denominator value how to find means common denominator is equal to denominator value 5 into 7 we have to multiply. So 5 7s are 35 is the denominator value. Denominator value one 5 is given, another one is 7 is given. So how to we have to find means we have to find the common value, denominator value 35 we have to find. So how to this one we have to find means we have to cross multiply the value. 7 table to multiply this value and 5 table to this fraction value we have to multiply. So 2 by 5 multiply 2 by 5, this value we have to multiply opposite side denominator value 7. So 7 into 7, both number we have to multiply. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Next fraction value 1 by 7 into next first denominator value is 5. So 5 table to we have to multiply. 1 5s are 5, 7 5s are 35. So common value, common denominator value 35 we have to find it. So like fractions are like fractions are 14 by 35, 5 by 35 is the answer. Next one, 2 by 5 comma 3 by 10. So see the denominator value 5 and 10 is given. So 5 and 10 it comes in same table. So 10 is the twice of 5 value. So we have to find the common denominator value means common denominator value is 10. So we write common denominator value, common denominator is equal to 10. So denominator value, common denominator 10 means one value already 10 is here. So we have to change this value, this fraction only. So 2 by 5 into which table to we have to multiply means we have to multiply 2. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So like fractions are what are the value? First 2 by 5 means we have to find the value for 4 by 10, comma next value 3 by 10. So same denominators are there. So these values are like fractions value. Next exercise 6.4. First one, write the proper symbol for less than, greater than or equal in the box. So we have to find this symbol we have to use to find the answer. First one 3 by 5, 2 by 5. Children see the denominator value, same denominator value means we have to see the numerator value. So which one is big one or that side we have to put the symbol. See the denominator value, same value is given. So see the numerator value 3 and 2. So 3 is a big value, 2 is a small value. So we have to write the symbol for greater than. Open symbol we have to write it big side number. So greater than is the first one answer. Second one 2 by 8, 1 by 8. Denominator values are same value. See the numerator value 2 and 1. So which one is biggest one? 2 is the biggest one. So open symbol we have to write the answer is greater than. Next 2 by 11, 10 by 11. Denominator values are same value 2 and 10 is given. Which one is biggest? 10 is a big value. So we have to write less than. Next one, 4 by 9. Denominator value same value. Numerator also same value. So 4 by 9 equal means put equal symbol. Exercise 6.5, add sum. First one, 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5. So 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, how to this fraction we have to add mean? First step, equal to same denominators here. So put 5 same denominator. See the numerator value 1 and 3 is given, the symbol is 5, a plus symbol. So we write 1 plus 3 is equal to 1 plus 3 get 4 by denominator value 5. So in fraction to fraction we have to given, add the value, we get the answer 4 by 5 is the answer. Next one, 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7, true fraction is given. So denominator values are same value. So first we write denominator value, common value 7. Now add the numerator 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, 4 divided by 7. Next 5 by 12 plus 2 by 12. So denominator values are same value. So common denominator we write 5 plus 12 we write 5 plus 2. So 5 plus 2 we write means the answer is 7 by 12 is the answer. Fourth one, 2 by 7 plus 1 by 7 plus 3 by 7. So 3 fraction is given. So common denominator value, so put common denominator value 7, 2 plus 1 plus 3. So 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 divided by 7 is the answer, equal to, next 3 values are given, denominator value is same. So equal to denominator value, common denominator value 10 we write, next 3 plus 5 plus 2. So 3 plus 5 get 8, 8 plus 2 get 10. So 10 divided by 10 is the answer. Next exercise 6.6, subtraction sum. First one, 4 by 7 minus 1 by 7. In addition same method we have to use, same denominator is here. So we write the same denominator value 7. 4 minus 1 is the numerator value. So 4 minus 1 get 3 divided by 7 is the answer. Next 4 by 8 minus 3 by 8, same denominator value is given. So denominator value 8, so we write the numerator 4 minus 3. So 4 minus 3 get 1 divided by 8. Next 5 by 9 minus 1 by 9. So denominator value is same. So we write 5 minus 1 divided by 9. 5 minus 1 get 4 divided by 9. Next 7 divided by 13 minus 4 divided by 13. So we write 7 minus 4 divided by common denominator 13. 7 minus 4 get 3 divided by 13. Next 5 divided by 10 minus 3 divided by 10. So we write 5 minus 3 divided by 10. So 5 minus 3 means get 2 divided by 10. Exercise 6.7, next one. First sum, multiply sums. First one, 1 by 7 into 4. One fraction value into whole value is given. So that whole value we have to multiply numerator only. So next step we write 1 into 4 divided by 7. This whole value we have to multiply in numerator only. So 1 into 4 is divided by 7. So 1 4s are 4 divided by 7 is the answer. Next one, 3 by 8 into 5. So first step, 3 into 5 divided by 8. So 5 3s are 15 divided by 8. Next one, 7 divided by 11 into 6. So we write 7 into 6 divided by 11. 6 7s are 42. 42 divided by 11. Exercise 6.8. Write the following decimals in words. So decimal value is given, we have to write the words method to write the value. This one how to we have to read mean 0.5. So in words we write in same way 0.5. Next one how to read means 0.8. So write the answer 0.8. Next one 3.5. 3.5. Next one 6.9. Second one, express the following fraction as decimal. So fraction value is given 4 by 10. So 4 by 10 means how to write the value? See the numerator value, only one value is given. Bottom 10 given means we have to put 0 point numerator value 4. Next value 12 divided by 10. So 10 is given, the numerator value is 2 digit means we write 1.2. Third one, express the following decimal as fractions. So decimal value is given, point value is given, we have to write the fractions value. So fraction value 38.9 is the decimal value. So how to write means we write full value 389 divided by 10 we write. Next one 9.8 is given. So how to write the value means 98 divided by 10 we write. Next unit, unit 7, information processing. Exercise 7.1. First question, find the product of the following numbers. So product means multiply the numbers. In this class we have to find 3-digit number multiplication. So first question 234 into 765. So 3-digit number multiplication we have to find the answer. So left side value and right side value is given. Right side value, which value is given, the tables too we have to multiply the left side value. So first we have to write the multiples of this value. So ones place too we have to multiply. So ones place is 5 is given. So 5 table too we have to first multiply this value. So first multiples of 5 value we write means how many times we write means see the left side value 2, 3, 4. Which one is biggest one? 4 is the biggest one. So 4 times only 5 table we write. So multiples of 5 we write 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. Next 6 table too we have to multiply. So 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Next 7 table to multiply the value. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28. Now write the value 234 into 765. Now multiply the value. First 5 table to multiply the value. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. 20 is 0. Carry 2 next digit upper we have to write. Next 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2. 15 plus 2 17. 17 is 7. Carry 1. 5 2s are 10. So 10 plus 1 11. So this term fully we have to multiply for 5 means fully finished. So next digit we have to multiply means first digit put plus symbol. Now multiply the value 6 table to multiply 6 4s are 24. 24 ku 4 carry 2. 6 threes are 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 ki 0, carry 2. 6 twos are 12. 12 plus 2, 14. So 6 table to multiply this left side value fully we have to finish. So next table we have to multiply means already first next number to multiply means put plus symbol here, that symbol we write. Next number to we have to multiply means put another plus symbol. One time another number multiply means put plus symbol first. Another time also we have to multiply means put plus symbol for 2 time. Next multiply the value for 7 table to multiply the value. 7 fours are 28 ke 8, carry 2. 7 threes are 21. 21 plus 2, 23, carry 2. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2, 16. Now add the value 0. 7 plus 4, 11, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 8, 10 ku 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 1 plus 6, 7. Last value 1. So the answer is 1,79,010 only is the answer. Next one, 908 into 512. So right side table to we have to multiply the value. So multiply of this value we write means first ones place value 2. So 2 how many times we write means this side big value is 9. So 9 time we write. So 1 9s are 2 table 9 time we write means 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times we write. Next one table to multiply. Already we know that one table to multiply means we get the same number. So 1 to 9 we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next 5 table to multiply. Big number is 9. So 9 time we write 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now multiply the value 908 into 512. Now multiply the value 2 into 8. 2 8s are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times get 16. So 16 ku 6, carry 1. So 2 into 0, any number multiple with 0 means get same number 0 only. So 2 into 0, 0. 0 plus remaining value 1 we have to add means get 1. Next 2 9s are 18. So 18 we write. Next 2 we have to multiply this number fully means next digit to multiply means put plus symbol. Now multiply the value 1 into 8. 1 into 8 get 8 only. Next 1 into 0, any number multiple with 0 means get same number 0 only we get. So next one 1 into 9. 1 into 9 get 9. Next 1 table to multiply fully finished means next table to multiply. So next table to multiply means already 1 plus we have to put. Again 1 plus symbol we write. Next we have to multiply the value. 5 8s are 40. 40 ki 0, carry 4. 5 into 0, 0. 0 plus 4, 4. 5 9s are 45. Now add the value 6. 1 plus 8, 9, 8, 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 ku 4, carry 1, 1 plus 5, get 6, 4. So the value is 4,64,000 896 is the answer.